The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, and most of it remains completely unexplored. Somewhere in those crushing, lightless depths, sounds are traveling through the water. Sounds that have baffled the world's best scientists for decades. Some are mechanical, some are biological, and some defy every explanation we have. Here are 10 terrifying deep-sea sounds scientists still cannot explain. Number 1. The bloop. In 1997, NOAA hydrophones detected one of the loudest underwater sounds ever recorded. So powerful, it was picked up by sensors nearly 3,000 miles apart. Scientists called it the bloop. Its frequency profile suggested a living creature, but the sound was far too loud to come from any known animal on Earth. For years, it had no explanation. Number 2. Upsweep. Since 1991, a network of hydrophones has been picking up a strange repeating sound, a long, rising wail that sweeps upward in frequency, like an ambulance siren from another world. Scientists call it upsweep, and it peaks every spring and fall without fail. Its source has never been confirmed. It appears to originate from an area of volcanic activity in the South Pacific. Number 3. The slowdown. Recorded in May 1997 by NOAA. The slowdown is exactly what it sounds like. A signal that gradually decreases in frequency over about 7 minutes before going silent. It was detected across multiple hydrophone arrays simultaneously. Scientists believe it may be caused by a large iceberg grounding on the seafloor, but the exact source location has never been pinpointed. Number 4. The train. Another NOAA recording from 1997. The train is a sound that builds slowly before leveling off into a steady, low-frequency hum, like a distant freight train heard through miles of ocean water. It was detected in the equatorial Pacific and has been heard multiple times since. Scientists suspect seafloor current interactions, but no definitive source has ever been found. Number 5. The Julia sound. Recorded on March 1, 1999, Julia is one of the most haunting sounds ever captured by NOAA's hydrophone network. It lasts for about 15 seconds and has been described as something between a moan and a scream, eerie, high-pitched, and deeply unsettling. The most likely explanation is a large iceberg running aground, but the sound's unusual character keeps scientists debating. Number 6. The whistle. Detected in 1997 and recorded only once, the whistle is a brief, rising tone that sounds almost mechanical, too clean and structured to be natural. NOAA has never been able to replicate the conditions that produced it, and its source remains completely unknown. Some researchers have suggested submarine activity, but no government has claimed responsibility for it. Number 7. The biotwang. First recorded near the Mariana Trench between 2014 and 2015, the biotwang is a complex, multi-part sound lasting about 3.5 seconds. Researchers initially had no idea what made it. It was eventually linked to bride's wails, but only after years of confusion. What still unsettles scientists is how unusual and mechanical the call sounds for a biological source. Number 8. The ping. In 2016, residents near Fury and Hecla Strait in northern Canada began reporting a strange pinging or beeping sound coming from the seafloor. So loud, it was scaring away wildlife. Canadian military investigated and found nothing. No anomalies on the seabed, no equipment, no submarines. The sound was heard repeatedly over months, and to this day, no confirmed source has been identified. Number 9. The quacker sounds. During the Cold War, Soviet submarines reported being followed by strange, quacking or croaking sounds deep beneath the ocean, sounds that seemed to track and circle their vessels deliberately. The Soviets called the sources quackers and believed them to be unknown biological entities. Despite decades of investigation, no species has ever been confirmed as the source of these sounds. Number 10. The 52 Hz whale. Since 1989, scientists have been tracking a whale that calls at 52 Hz, a frequency no other whale uses. It travels alone. Its calls never answered. No other whale can hear it. For over 35 years, this creature has been singing into silence. Scientists have never seen it, never identified its species, and never explained why it exists at this frequency. The ocean is the largest unexplored frontier on our own planet. We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of the seafloor beneath our feet. These sounds are a reminder that something vast and unknown is down there, and it may already know we're listening. If this video unsettled you the way it should have,